All right, team, let's roll up our sleeves and dive into the root cause analysis for the latest NCR. Lily, could you give us a quick rundown?
Sure thing. The deviation was detected in batch 6789 during the tensile strength test. The results were off the mark compared to the specification.
Okay, first things first. Was the product out of spec because of the raw material?
Possibly, but I wouldn't jump to conclusions just yet. We also need to take a closer look at the testing methodology. Sometimes the devil is in the details.
Good call. If the testing procedure wasn't followed to the letter, it could explain the discrepancy. Did we confirm that the equipment was calibrated properly?
That's still under review. Honestly, I suspect there might have been some mix-ups during calibration. If that's the case, retraining the staff could go a long way.
I like that line of thinking. Training is always a solid investment. But let's not put all our eggs in one basket. What about the raw material certificates? Were they cross-checked against the supplier's COFA?
They were, and nothing jumped out as unusual. Still, I think we should run a double verification just to be safe. Better to be safe than sorry.
Excellent. So possible root causes, calibration errors, staff training gaps, or hidden issues in raw materials. For corrective actions, I'd say retraining on equipment calibration, tightening our verification steps, and maybe adding a peer review process to catch errors early.
That makes sense. A second pair of eyes can catch things that slip through the cracks.
Exactly. Two heads are better than one. Let's document these findings, assign owners, and set deadlines so this doesn't fall through the cracks.
Got it. I'll start drafting the action plan right after this session.
Perfect. If we nail down the root cause properly, we won't just fix this NCR, we'll raise the bar for the whole process.